Right, so here I've got 2 cups of flour going into my bowl. So the first thing we want to do is to mix our instant yeast with warm water. So here I've just literally put this water on the microwave for about 1 minute. So I'm going to mix my instant yeast. So you can just use 1 pack of instant yeast. I think it's easier for measurement purposes. So I'm going to pour that into the water. Now the thing with yeast is it needs something to activate it. So I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of sugar from the sugar I'm going to use. So I'm just putting 1 teaspoon of that in there. So give it all a mix. And set it aside for about 5 minutes. So I've got flour in my bowl, and to that I'm going to add in half a cup of sugar. Now this recipe is pretty straightforward, and we've got 1 heaped teaspoon of nutmeg, and we're just going to give it all a mix. Wow, look at that. So I've left my yeast to rest for about 5 minutes, and I'm just going to give it a quick mix. My goodness, that has risen so well. So in it goes into our dry ingredients, and then we mix. So we start mixing it. You have to be patient in this process. Just make sure you mix it until everything is fully combined.